Hi Anna. So here is the U2 topic 6, the assignment that you asked about. So you asked me to do one of these for you, and if you look back also to the content, there are some examples that are similar to these that they've worked through, and you could follow through those examples also. So for the first one, if we have two negative or non-negative numbers whose sum is 9, and we want the product of one number and the square of the other number to be a maximum, then what we're going to do is we're going to start off by saying we have two numbers whose sum is 9, they add up to 9, and if we write one of the numbers in terms of the other, then at least we can use the same variable. We would have x and 9 minus x. So the product of one number and the square of the other, so let's take the square of x squared times 9 minus x, and we want that to be a maximum. The product means to multiply in here. So we end up with 9x squared minus x cubed equals maximum. And in order to maximize that, we have to take the derivative. So we're going to take the derivative of this, and we're going to set it equal to 0 to find the max and the min values. So if I set that equal to 0, I'm going to common factor out a 3x. I'll get 3x times 6 minus x. So either x equals 0 or x equals 6. So if x equals 6, then the other number, y, would be 3. And if x equals 0, then the other number would be 9. So if x equals 0, y would be 9. If x equals 6, y would be 3. You're going to test both of those in the second derivative. So in m double prime, you're going to test both of those answers to see whether they're a maximum or a minimum. So if I put in 0 into this formula, I'm going to end up with 18, which is a positive, so that means it's a minimum. If I put 6 into this formula, I end up with negative 18, which is a negative, which means that that's a maximum. So I know now that the maximum is at 6, 3. Okay, those are the two numbers. So that's how you approach all of these problems. You create an equation, you differentiate the equation, set it equal to 0 to find the max and min, and then use the second derivative to verify whether you have a max or a min value. Okay, so I hope that helps you with this assignment, and if not, please email me for more help. All right.